Hello, sweet loves, and welcome to this guided meditation ritual. I celebrate you two for creating this time and space for each other today to connect. For today's meditation, you have the option to make it extra special by perhaps taking a moment to grab 2 candles, and maybe your favorite essential oil, perfume, Palo Santo, or sage. Whenever you're ready and grabbed everything you need, I invite you to sit in front of each other in a comfortable position. And then if you grab 2 candles, I invite you both to place one on your left sides and to light it. If you also grabbed any kind of oil or Palo Santo or sage, whatever it is that feels right, I invite you to gift this to the other person. Perhaps that looks like putting some oil on the other's wrist and gently rubbing it in. Maybe that's tracing the smoke of the Palo Santo around them. Whenever you can, also to really receive it from the other. And you go fully into giving and receiving for just a moment. And then whenever you are finished, again, find a position that feels right. Maybe that's with the knees touching, maybe it's holding hands, maybe it's slightly separated from one another, and perhaps it's even hugging or sitting in yap yum position. Whenever you arrive there, take just a moment to see what's around you two, what's in the space with you both. And then also take a moment to really see each other. And can you then both look into each other's left eye and keep your gaze there? And then together take some deep breaths in and out here. In through the nose. Perhaps softly sighing it out through the mouth. You connect your breath together here. Breathing in together, filling up the lungs, the belly. And exhaling out, relaxing more, the belly comes in. Breathing in, expand. And exhaling, letting the belly come back in. Keep focusing on each other's left eye here. Soft and gentle gaze. We will do a few rounds of box breathing here to connect our breaths together even deeper. This will be a 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds exhale, and 4 seconds hold again. And if you find a rhythm that works better for the two of you, please feel free to follow that. Now take one more deep breath in and out together before we will start. And inhale through the nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Continue. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Keep on going at your own pace together. Now with your next deep breath in together, both hold your breath at the top of your lungs, soften the rest of the body, keep on gazing, seeing each other. And whenever you need to exhale, you let out a big sigh through the mouth and gently close your eyes here, finding a natural in and out breath through the nose. Just observing for a moment. Simply noticing what is happening inside you right now. Observing any thoughts, feelings, emotions, aches. Let it all be there. You have each other. Sometimes with the people we see the most, people we love most, we forget to express our gratitude and love. Because naturally, with being together, sometimes tensions arise. We get annoyed, we feel like we're not being seen, and we wish to be seen. Perhaps we don't feel heard or held either. And with all of these things building up, it sometimes becomes really difficult to express our love. There's a reason you are here together. There's a reason for the two of you finding each other, whether that is romantically or in the form of a friendship or family. Can you think back to a moment or moments where you felt so much love and gratitude for each other? With every inhale, deeply breathing in that love. And imagine with every exhale how you're both spreading this gratitude all around you. A few more of those breaths together at your pace. Thinking back to these moments. Then I invite you to one by one, express 3 points of gratitude or love to each other, alternating. The eldest may start by saying the first thing out loud, and then the other follows until you've both expressed 3 things. If you're comfortable, you can simply keep your eyes closed here. And whenever you're ready, you can start. Do you notice how much presence and gratitude and simply being with one another can bring such a shift in energy? Expressing your gratitude, holding each other, seeing each other, connecting your breath. And now, if you feel like you can visualize easily, I invite you to visualize the two candles on your both sides. And imagine that you could draw half a circle from one candle to the other, and then another half a circle from there to the other, making one circle around you both. And imagine that this circle holds all the energy that you've just created together. And that any time you wish to find this connection again to one another, you can come back to this circle. Maybe lighting those candles again, or by simply holding each other and connecting your breath. And imagine that you could zoom out and see each other from above, how you're seated together now. To have this bird's eye view of your connection. Take a moment to really observe and take that in. See the love, to see the circle, the energy that you create together. And then whenever you're ready, on your next inhale with your eyes still closed, rub your hands together, creating this heat, this new energy, and keep on breathing in and out there, really creating some fire. And then slowly bring your palms away from each other, your own two palms. And see if with your eyes closed you can find the palms of the other, finding the warmth, the heat, holding them against each other, feeling this warmth, feeling this connection. Now your next inhale, whenever you're ready, softly fluttering your eyes back open. Looking at both your hands, at each other. Then softly release the hands, and on inhale to bring them up and above. And exhale, hands to the forehead for clear and loving thoughts. Hands to the heart for clear and loving intentions. And hands to the mouth for clear and loving communication. Sending out wonderful energy to all beings everywhere. And gently bow to one another here. Feel free to find any way to thank each other for this moment you create together that feels right for you both. Thank you so much for connecting together here. We would be so grateful if you could take just a second to like and subscribe. Comment how you like this meditation ritual and perhaps what kind of videos you would like to see more of. Please share this meditation on a social media platform and tag us. You make such a big difference by doing that. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Until next time, sweet loves.